biggest challenge for us in combining the technology of the aircraft and the art, the choreography is just trying to make something that's interesting for your average layman, someone who's maybe not knowledgeable about air shows, doesn't know about the Hawk, and putting something that's graceful yet exciting and above all safe for them in front of a display is probably my biggest challenge as the leader.
Over the top in big battle formation, the red, white and blue smoke streaming behind. Red one pulling the aircraft to the vertical, switching them into...
One of the benefits of our team is that to be the leader, a prerequisite is that you have to have served on the team before. So having been a team pilot for 3 years and getting an understanding of what does and what doesn't work, I could use that time to my benefit when I did become a leader to really choreograph the show in the respect that I felt showed off both the aircraft, the pilot skill and the precision of the Royal Air Force to its utmost. Most of my ideas really come from what I've seen before, what I know is possible to do with these aircraft. I'm kind of plucking from a bag of tricks. So there's some that we put away for a couple of years that I'll delve into that bag and sort of reintegrate, because it's not just about each manoeuvre, it's how those manoeuvres sequence into one another that's my real challenge.
Blue smoke comes on, 8 and 9, rolling around the rest of the formation. Red one about to turn the formation left, changing smoke colour as they go. In tornado.
One of the prerequisites of being on the team is that you have to have served on operational deployments. So I've served on a number of those, both the Harrier and the Eurofighter Typhoon.
Smoke comes on, red 6 and 7, putting over the top of the half. Keep your eyes out to the top right, here comes red 8, he's going to spear the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, today's heart is dedicated to Flight Lieutenant Damo Green and Nick, his wife, and the birth of their daughter, Etta.
I think the favourite part for me about my job is this. It's getting on the ground somewhere that's completely new to us. We've flown our aircraft all the way across the UK, here to the west coast of the States, and to meet a knowledgeable airshow audience who know what they've come to see, which is exactly what we're trying to provide for them, is the best part of the job.
Red one putting up for the second of the Patriot roll.
The greatest influence that we hope to have as a team is just generally on the younger generation. We want to inspire them to think about what gets these aircraft flying, what are the maintainers doing on a daily basis, what part of science, technology, engineering and maths does it take to provide a 9-ship graceful 25-minute display. And if we can inspire just one of those kids, then we've won.
On clean scores, red 9 as the corkscrew finishes to... Here go, the call for 4 and 5 to roll. Cameras ready for the spectacular Jippo break. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the race.